transfer community college grades to a university. Many students who start out at community colleges soon find that they'd prefer to make the switch to a university. You may make this decision because you couldn't get into the university originally but now can, or because you discover that you would like to study something they have there. One of the most stressful parts of the process for many students is seeing about transferring grades, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can follow these easy steps to transfer your community college grades to a university. Talk to someone in admissions at the university where you wish to attend. Have that person send you a catalog or a course requirements list. Many universities now offer this information online, so it may be at your fingertips in minutes. This list will tell you what courses you need for the major you want at the university. Next, go to your community college's records office. Ask for a copy of your transcripts. At this point, you need only an unofficial copy for yourself, which should be free. Sit down with the lists from each school and see what courses you think will match up. Some courses will be obvious. You may need college algebra, and the course is called the same thing at both schools. Other courses that you've taken may fit into vague slots, such as 2 social science courses, where you can count your introduction to sociology. When you apply to a university as a transfer student, you will be required to get an official copy of your transcripts from your current school. After you have received an acceptance, someone from the records department at the university will compare the transcript the university received with the courses they require. As soon as you get accepted, find out who judges your transcript and when you should hear back. When you hear back from your university about the course credits they will accept, check them against your list. Be sure that you have received the credit you thought you would get for each class. Remember that you also may get some credits as electives. Most universities require you to have more hours than your degree will take. That means that you may need a few elective classes, so that may be where some of your community college credits go. If you do not understand why you didn't receive credit for some courses, call the university and ask. Whoever completed your transcript review should be happy to explain it to you. Sometimes there are oversights, and at other times there are simple problems that can be fixed. The university may call a course by a completely different name, for example, but it covers the same material. In those cases, you often can send documentation of the course's contents. Quick tips: don't be afraid to fight for classes you believe you've taken. Be proactive. You should be the one making phone calls and providing documentation for your classes to count.